Hi, my name is Adam from SharkGaming, and today we are going to be looking at our brand new 27-inch monitor. This is our newest addition into our line of gaming monitors, and this one is sporting 240 Hz. We do have a couple of other 27-inch monitors in our selection, but this is the first curved 240 Hz monitor. It is with a VA panel and it has a 1 millisecond response time, so this is a fast monitor that can be used for competitive gaming if you like curved monitors for that. Now there are a couple of other noteworthy features. It has an adjustable stand like this. Not all monitors have this, so I feel like it's worth mentioning. Another new feature about this monitor is the fact that you can actually rotate it. So this is our first rotatable monitor. It is a pretty nice feature if you are running multiple screen setups and you want a monitor that can be vertical. Now, what is a great monitor without RGB? We have obviously put in RGB on the back. As always, you're welcome to visit our flagship store here in Denmark and try this out yourself. If you have any other questions about our brand new monitor, feel free to ask them in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching.